Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all we have to open our profile. And after we have our profile opened, we can go to the Instagram setting. You can tap on the three lines on the top right to open your setting. Then we can click on this account center. And after that, we have to select the personal details. Okay. Then you have to select the account ownership and control and click on deactivation or deletion. And here, since I have logged into multiple accounts on my Instagram, so I have to select which of the account I want to delete. And I'm gonna go with this account. Click on the account you want to delete. And here you have to select a delete account since we want to delete the Instagram account. And you just need to click on continue and follow the instruction from Instagram. Alright guys, and that's how we can delete account on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.